Hey friend, it's me Tinker, and this is Bill the Builderbot. And today in Tinkerland, we just finished constructing this giant dragon using cardboard boxes. And we want to show you how you can make your own set of dragon wings that you can wear at home around the house. To make your dragon wings, we'll start with a big piece of cardboard, and we'll just lay it out on the table and draw our shape. We'll start by making a little U at the top here, and a U at the bottom, and then dragon wings shoot out on either side. And instead of just connecting these lines, we'll actually make little swoops, kind of like bat wings. Nice! You can even add the little bone structures that we have on our big dragon. Cool, this looks great. Now you can have a grown-up cut this out. This is a perfect size to go on Bill right here. Now, on our other one, we actually painted it, and we used all sorts of yellow, orange, and purple. And then for these little scales, we used a light yellow, just like we did on our big dragon. Now, instead of painting yours at home, you can do something that's a lot cleaner and easier and use construction paper. So we cut out these little pieces and made a little arch on it so that it looks like a scale. We created a lot of them: purple, blue, green, and white. And we even made little circles that we can use for details. Now just grab your glue and start gluing on all of your scales. Get creative and have fun. Wow, that's so cool. Whoa, now we want to be able to wear this, so we're actually going to use some ribbon. And we're just gonna add little holes here so that we can make it like a backpack. You can have a grown-up poke 2 holes here and 2 holes here using a pair of scissors. Then just cut some pieces of ribbon and you can feed it right through the holes. And on the other side here, you can tie these ribbon pieces together. And you can always decorate the back of your dragon wings as well. Now we can put it on like a backpack and wear them. Here you go, Bill. You look great. These turned out so awesome. And I love mine too. They match the big dragon. Whether you paint yours or use construction paper to make your own scales, I can't wait to see what you come up with. Well, it's time for us to go now, but I hope you had so much fun building things with us here in Tinkerland today. And we hope to see you real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend. And happy building. You know, Bill, yours turns out so great. Hey, there's lots more fun projects over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel. We're building all sorts of crazy creations out of cardboard boxes. There's so much to do and make here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.